my beautiful guys. Now today it's Sunday 9 p.m. and I am back with the part 2 of my Nykaa Pink Hot Pink sale haul. So as I told you last time in my last video that I have like some good products which are still pending in my third box, also along with some freebies जिनको देखने के लिए मैं वेट नहीं कर रही. It's like my birthday that has come soon और मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं. So that's something I have been waiting to unbox and this has some really nice product again जिनके लिए मैंने इतने टाइम से वेट किया. So let's just quickly unbox this one and see what we have in here. So alright guys, I'm able to unbox it properly with the first product itself. Don't know what is in here. Seems like 2 small freebies only. Okay, so I've received this sculpting and hydrating foundation from Nykaa Skin Genius. Not sure if I have seen this one in a bigger size, bigger shade, and even not sure if this is my shade, but it was a free gift from Nykaa which I have received. It was a surprise gift, so I wasn't sure कि इसमें क्या आएगा, but it seems like a foundation to me. I will just show you what the shade looks like, how it's the consistency and how the application looks like. Okay, somewhere it looks very lighter on my skin. This doesn't look like my shade. मैं इसमें for sure highlighter लगूंगी, but देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. It's a gift. Maybe my mom could be able to use it because it might matches her skin. If it does, so of course it's not going to be waste, or maybe I'll give it to my sister. So, but honestly, the consistency is very nice. The consistency looks very good. It just got merged into my skin. It looks like my second skin and it has a dual look, if you could see. Yeah, it looks really nice. You can have a look. Very sheer coverage, not much of coverage, so it looks like your second skin only. But yeah, you can compare, like, this is my hand with nothing on it. This is my hand after applying that foundation. So it looks nice. Let's wait for a while till I complete the video. Maybe we'll see how it comes up. Does it get cakey? Not sure. The second freebie that I have received is Swiss Beauty Jelly Bloom pH Lip Balm. It's a pH lip balm, so of course it changes the color. And let me try this one, how it looks. Okay, the packaging is really cute. I don't know how can I say this. It looks like, it's giving me the Barbie girl kind of vibes. And yeah, it has this beautiful flower into it. ये नहीं सोचा था, ये काफ़ी expectation से ज़्यादा निकला है. Okay, I am not going to try it as of now. I will save this one for later क्योंकि इसको use करने के लिए अभी मेरा दिल नहीं हो रहा है. But certainly I'll try this one maybe in the next video. Okay, next up we have some more products and some freebies also. So क्या गिरा अभी? Okay. So it's L'Oreal Paris LY Fall Resist. I don't know if I'm calling it right. Which has MNXL 1.5%. So I have been, as I told you in my last video, बहुत hair fall हो रहा है. It's rainy season over here in Delhi. मॉनसून में तो हम सब हेयर फॉल से परेशान होते हैं. मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हूँ. आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बट हेयर फॉल थोड़ा बहुत सबसाइड हुआ है, बट अगेन पूरी तरीके से नहीं. एंड जैसे ही मेरे बाल झड़ने चालू होते हैं मेरे लिए तो इट टर्न्स लाइक अ रेड अलार्म. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस LY फॉल रेजिस्ट. रिव्यूज़ बहुत सही थे. पीपल हैव सीन लाइक ग्रोथ. इट हैज़ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट दैट ऑर्डिनरी मल्टीपेप्टाइड सीरम शोज़. So मुझे ये ट्राई करना था. आई एम करेंटली यूजिंग विश केयर हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम फॉर माई हेयर फॉल. इज़ इट वर्किंग? स्लाइटली. रीग्रोथ सर्टनली देयर इज़, बट क्या मेरे हेयर फॉल पे असर हुआ है ज़्यादा? नहीं. तो मुझे ये यूज़ करना था बिकॉज स्पेसिफिकली आई हैव टू टारगेट हेयर फॉल. So I'll start using this one starting today. It's Sunday, so most probably I will just give it like 15 days and then we can have the review video, I think next to next Sunday perhaps. Just I can tell you whether it is working for my hair fall or not. If it works, you can buy it for sure. It's an expensive product. Don't invest without having the right review. Okay guys, next up we have, okay, this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. So I ordered this one क्योंकि मुझे एक freebie claim करनी थी, honestly speaking, which was this pH lip gloss. Sorry, pH lip balm. So for that I ordered this one. Anyone can use, my mama or me. I'm not a lip liner person. I am a lipstick person for sure. I have a good lipstick collection. I can review it someday. But lip liner person, sometimes if I'm wearing a red lipstick, high chances I'm wearing a lip liner, क्योंकि अगर वो smudge होती है, I really cannot take that risk. But rest of the lipstick, I think I can manage. So the shade is somewhere around, this shade is Royal Red. How it comes up, the consistency, oh, I have to like rub it properly. But here it is like pinkish red kind of color. Can it go with a proper red lipstick? I'm not sure, but let's see. Okay, next up, this is the product I have been waiting to try again, like the foundation that I have shown you in my last video. Beauty of Joseon is one of the brands जिस पे आजकल मैं बिल्कुल flattered हूँ. इनके products I am absolutely loving. So जैसे तिरतर वाला foundation के लिए मैंने wait किया for the sale, मैंने इस product के लिए भी wait किया जो अभी for some reason open नहीं हो रहा है. So I have to use the scissor not to waste the time. And here we are. So it's actually an eye cream. So क्या मुझे dark circles है? Yes, I have some dark circles. I think अभी इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं पता चल रहा है, इतने भी नहीं है, because I take care of my under eye area. बहुत delicate है. सबसे पहले aging आती है. Since I've already crossed my 30s, aging is something I am currently very much concerned about. So I ordered this one. Reviews के बाद, as usual, I got influenced. So Beauty of Joseon का, of course, the sunscreen is very nice. बहुत अच्छे results थे. So मैंने सोचा, why not just try the eye cream. Comes from Korea. We all know that how much they care about their skin, under eye and whatnot. So let me give it a try. Let me review it. Again, it's an expensive product. See the review first and then go for a try. Okay, next up that we have, this is the last product. It's Vaseline Lip Therapy. What believe, but मुझे lip balms का बहुत शौक है और मेरे पास I don't know, natural, herbal, tinted, clear, medicated, pharmacy, बहुत सारे lip balms हैं. I don't even know the count. ये वाला lip balm मैं काफ़ी टाइम से देख रही थी, मुझे ट्राई करना था. बट अगेन ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके लिए मैंने सेल का वेट किया, बट मौका नहीं मिल रहा था कि मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं एक प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करूं. सो मैंने वेट किया, मैंने कहा ठीक है अब सेल है तो वी कैन ऑर्डर इट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर इट इज़ टिंटेड. द कंसिस्टेंसी लुक लाइक अ पेट्रोलियम जेली फॉर श्योर. This has slight tint. I don't know if you could see it. Very slight, like literally very slight, and it does look like, you know, the petroleum jelly only. Let's see how it works for me, and then you can try it for you also. And if you have already tried it, please let me know in the comments so that I will see मुझे इसका क्या करना है. So guys, this is the end of the Nykaa haul video, the hot pink sale one. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और आपको reconnect करके अच्छा लग रहा होगा. If you are new to the page, please subscribe. We can just share the reviews together. We can just build a community which, you know, help people out, help, you know, making people's skin good, hair good, and sometimes life good also. So I'm concluding today's video. Since then, it's not a goodbye, but it's a short break. See ya.